they like, you ask? Well, they like many things. Starting off with, they like raspberries.
They like fruits.
And one of the things they love to snack on is carrots.
They are very social birds, so they also like snuggling with you or each other.
They like singing in the mirrors or perching on your hand. Parakeets love to eat, and they love eating seed. These parakeets eat a lot of sunflower seeds and other seeds found around.
Hey Ava, do you know where parakeets are native to?
Yes, Addie, parakeets are native to Australian jungles. They like to live in a very moist climate that has a lot of humidity and rain. The Australian jungles don't rain a lot, but they have a good amount of water and good amount of seeds and worms to eat.
Thanks, Ava, for telling me.
Hey, Addie, I got a question.
What is it?
Are parakeets playful birds?
Yes, they are very playful. They love it when you teach them tricks, and when they do it, they love it for you to give them treats after. They also love a good meal of food.
That's concluding our video about parakeets, but in all, they are very playful birds and they would be amazing pets.
Thanks for watching our video.